see how earlier in the day we did pop up a few little sea breeze showers, nothing significant, but even at this hour there's a couple still left over right here along I-10. We'll show you that in a minute. But I'm looking upstream right about here. Okay, you're New Mexico. What are we talking about New Mexico? Well, watch. This stormy weather is going to roll into West Texas within the next 6 hours. And then overnight, it's going to follow this yellow line here. This is the isobar, and it's going to follow that. So it's, if you remember, like 2 weeks ago, we had 3 waves of stormy weather that started there and came here. Same thing. So we're going to have system number 1 coming through. Then we're going to have lower pressure around here, which will give us system number 2 and 3, so that all of a sudden we've got about 5 days of potential rain around here, which is very interesting for, you know, a hot and dry summer season. Here's the stormy weather that is existing even at this hour. You can probably see the thunderstorms. If you look to the north, they're just above I-10 in the Giddings area, moving on down toward Hallisville. So Gonzales, you may be getting real close to that, and also up here in the Weston Lakes area. So Wharton, you may see that as well. But that should decrease after sundown. Now, that's sundown. That's driven by heating. This is not driven by heating. This is driven by an area of low pressure above that's basically lifting the atmosphere, taking that hot, humid air all the way up into the cool environments of the upper atmosphere. And all of New Mexico is under a severe thunderstorm watch right now. I'm betting money. Okay, I'll bet no money. I'll bet a Dr. Pepper. I bet a Dr. Pepper that Amarillo and Lubbock and Midland will go under severe thunderstorm watch by tonight. And then we're going to basically watch that big line. This is called a derecho. Okay, that's what they call it. I don't know why, but it's a line of a complex of storms that lines up, follows the upper winds, and then just travels about 500 miles. So today, yes, we were quite steamy because of the heat and the humidity. Tomorrow we'll see clouds, and so that's going to knock the temperature down and get a load of that. We're going to be down on Wednesday to 105. Why? Lots of cloud cover and rain, so it's going to be kind of stormy out there for the next couple of days. Now, as you can see right here, tomorrow in this green area, we have a marginal chance of severe weather. So it's not like we expect huge problems. However, we're going to be in a very loose environment, a very unstable air mass. Thunderstorms are going to be popping here and there. So at one point in time, you're going to be getting wet with this activity because that's Tuesday. Again, it gets even heavier on Wednesday, Thursday, and probably on into Friday. So we're back into the rain business. Potential situation still sort of percolating around out there, but nothing significant. Down here we have, that's Barbara, and then we have over here Cosme. Both of those are moving away from land. So taking a look at tomorrow's forecast, we expect the stormy weather to arrive after sunrise, between sunrise and noon, some storms. Otherwise getting up to 89 down in Port Lavaca. In Cuero, you're getting up to about 91. You'll see more cloud cover and you'll see showers beginning to develop and then be here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we've got 4 alert days already up. That's your 7-day forecast, reminding everybody we do have a QR code. Love for you to scan that, put Crossroads Today on your phone. And you may have heard this on Friday, but I'm going to repeat it again right here. Hurricane season has arrived, right? Started June 1st. Well, when power outages are a part of the problem, Aztec Ford in Goliad is helping you stay storm ready with a chance to win a free generator to keep your home powered when it most matters. It's very quick to enter. You can save you big when the lights go out or if they go out. Go to crossroadstoday.com, our website. Then on the top you'll see 4 little lines. Click that and then go to entertainment and then contests and enter the Storm Ready Power giveaway. So we are going to be live in Goliad on Friday at Square there in town to just let people know that this is going to go on for about 4 or 5 weeks. So you do have some time, but you don't want to dilly-dally, do you? No, a generator would be very handy to have. That's your forecast, and we'll